Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic artificial intelligence. So let's get started. In 2005, which autonomous vehicle won the DARPA Grand Challenge, marking a significant milestone in AI-driven robotics? The correct answer is option A, Stanley, Stanford University. The development of Word2Vec in 2013 by Tomas Mikolov and his team at Google was revolutionary because it introduced which concept to NLP? The correct answer is option B, efficient estimation of word representations in vector space. Who coined the terms strong AI and weak AI in his 1980 paper Minds, Brains, and Programs? The correct answer is option C, John Searle. The 2012 ImageNet Large-Scale Visual Recognition Challenge is often cited as the Big Bang of deep learning. Which architecture won that year? The correct answer is option D, AlexNet. The landmark 2017 paper Attention is All You Need introduced which architecture that currently dominates modern AI? The correct answer is option A, the Transformer. Developed at SRI International between 1966 and 1972, what was the name of the first general-purpose mobile robot capable of reasoning about its own actions? The correct answer is option B, Shaky. The logic theorist, created by Newell and Simon in 1955, is famous for proving theorems from which mathematical work? The correct answer is option C, Principia Mathematica. Who was the primary organizer of the 1956 Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence? The correct answer is option D, John McCarthy. While backpropagation was discussed earlier, which 1986 paper popularized it for training multilayer neural networks? The correct answer is option A, Learning Representations by Backpropagating Errors, Rumelhart, Hinton, Williams. What was the name of the custom hardware built by Frank Rosenblatt in 1958 to implement the first neural network? The correct answer is option B, the Mark I Perceptron. Joseph Weizenbaum's 1966 program ELIZA primarily used which script to simulate a psychotherapist? The correct answer is option C, Doctor. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated Garry Kasparov. What was the primary technological approach used by Deep Blue? The correct answer is option D, brute force search and heuristics. AlphaGo's victory over Lee Sedol in 2016 was unique because it combined deep neural networks with which search technique? The correct answer is option A, Monte Carlo tree search, MCTS. The 1973 Lighthill Report led to a massive reduction in AI funding in which country? The correct answer is option B, United Kingdom. During the 1980s, Japan's fifth-generation computer systems project aimed to build computers based on which programming paradigm? The correct answer is option C, logic programming, Prolog. Who coined the term machine learning in 1959 while working at IBM? The correct answer is option D, Arthur Samuel. The CYC project, started by Douglas Lenat in 1984, was designed to solve which major problem in AI? The correct answer is option A, codifying common sense knowledge. In 2014, Ian Goodfellow and his colleagues introduced which class of machine learning frameworks that involve two neural networks competing? The correct answer is option B, generative adversarial networks. The 2018 Google model BERT stands for what? The correct answer is option C, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. Which 2015 architecture introduced skip connections, residual learning, to allow for training of extremely deep networks? The correct answer is option D, ResNet. The no free lunch theorem, which states that no single machine learning algorithm is best for every problem, was published by whom? The correct answer is option A, Walpert and McCready. The SNARC, Stochastic Neural Analog Reinforcement Calculator, the first neural network computer, was built in 1951 by whom? The correct answer is option B, Marvin Minsky. The expert system Mycin, developed at Stanford in the 1970s, was designed for what purpose? The correct answer is option C, diagnosing blood infections. John Searle's Chinese room thought experiment was primarily a critique of which AI theory? The correct answer is option D, the physical symbol system hypothesis. Which 1945 essay by Vannevar Bush described a conceptual machine called MEMEX, influencing the future of information retrieval and AI? The correct answer is option A, As We May Think. The 1969 book, Perceptrons, is often blamed for the first AI winter. What was its main mathematical argument? The correct answer is option B. Single-layer perceptrons cannot solve non-linearly separable problems like XOR. In what year was the long short-term memory, LSTM, architecture first proposed by Sepp Hochreiter and Jürgen Schmid-Huber? The correct answer is option C, 1997. In 2020, OpenAI released GPT-4. How many parameters did this model contain, setting a new scale for LLMs at the time? The correct answer is option D, 175 billion. In which year did Google acquire the London-based AI startup DeepMind? The correct answer is option A, 2014. The concept of the technological singularity was popularized in the 1990s by which science fiction author and mathematician? The correct answer is option B, Werner Vang. Thank you for watching.